Here we have some blastable news today about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. But first, let's take a look at the official leaked video of the Galaxy S25 Edge, a fully functional device, not a dummy unit. The lucky YouTuber managed to get their hands on it and shared a brief demo, offering insight into a key question: just how thin the phone will be. When placed next to an unfolded Galaxy Z Fold 6, the S25 Edge doesn't appear much thicker. Since the Fold 6 measures 5.6mm when unfolded, it's likely the S25 Edge will have a sub-6mm thickness, excluding the camera bump. Additionally, the device is expected to feature a ceramic build. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Edge's camera design isn't inspired by the iPhone 16. Instead, it follows Samsung's design language, closely resembling the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but with 2 cameras instead of 3. If anything, Apple finds itself in an awkward position, as the Fold 4 was released first. In another tweet, Ice Universe shared an image of the Galaxy S25 Edge's screen protector. Leaker Anthony also revealed that the Galaxy S25 Edge is as thin as an unfolded Galaxy Z Fold 6 and comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, 12 gigs RAM, 256 gigs base storage, and a 200 megapixel main camera. Another tweet highlights improvements to the S25 Edge's status bar, making it more visually appealing. Hopefully, One UI 7 updates will bring similar refinements to the S24 series and other S25 models. Meanwhile, Tech Home shared images of cases designed for the Galaxy S25 Edge, adding to the growing excitement around Samsung's upcoming device. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.